Part 2, always make sure you check the pockets. You'll find a huge range of things, including screws, receipts, money, batteries, pens, and gum is all of our nightmare. So check the pockets, no excuses. Don't just feel the outside of the pants or skirts. Please take everything out and make sure you remember who it's for, so you can return those items. And also make sure that you're using the correct detergent and correct products in every single load, and you are washing on the correct temperatures also. So you might have a black wash as well as a light wash to go for your darker clothes to help keep them dark. You'll have a white vanish or oxy action that'll help keep whites whiter, and you can even have bleach pages. And to clean your machines, make sure you do a hot wash on 95 with vinegar and baking soda once a week.